Hey, my crew, what is up? It's been so long. I really need to get back into the swing of making videos again. I've totally sort of forgotten that I even do this. I've really taken a very big break, I feel like, just because, you know, the Supreme season was done with for the fall winter 19. Now we're getting started with the spring summer, which I got my first week's items right here. I can finally open them up for you guys, the first items of this new season. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open up the shirt first, then we'll get into that deck. But make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the like button. You see I'll be pushing out content as much as I can. I still work a regular job, just a regular person. I'm a United States postal worker. I walk a half marathon every single day. I'm working 6 days a week. And yeah, it's just been, they've been working me like crazy. I can't wait to get promoted so I have a little bit more say. Right now I'm basically a slave, earning my place there in a way. So we're getting into this Supreme. Make sure you also DM me on Instagram so you can enter that raffle once I hit 2,500 subscribers. So this first week of Supreme, they were giving away the baseball poncho. But first we'll look at the stickers. Oh cool, these new Supreme shop stickers. These are actually kind of cool. And I got a couple other stickers in there as well. And then I did get the ballpark rain poncho. What do they call it? Yeah, ballpark adult rain poncho. So there you go in this packaging. Good times. A bunch of little red raindrops all over the other side. People have already been doing a bunch of cool stuff with this ballpark poncho, making it into t-shirts and all that stuff. Yes, I'm talking about Eric. He's a pretty cool guy. But anyways, let's go ahead. We're gonna pull out this size large Supreme shirt. On the outside, we do have this one label. That's what we're looking at for the label. And then you have all this warning information as well. You do have the pre-shrunk 100% cotton, made in USA size large tag right there. We'll look at that. But first, I'll go ahead and take this out of here because I do want to wear this shirt. Let's go ahead and open it up. You guys can see the color there. That Supreme is actually pretty hard to read. I thought maybe it was going to be easier to read. On my phone screen, it looked way more legible. But this ain't legible, people. That's, well, maybe it is, I guess. I mean, from far away, you can see it a lot better. I guess when you're up close. Here, I'll show you what I mean. If you're really close, see, if you're really close to it, I feel like it's, well, I don't know. I guess if it's on a screen, it's just easier to read. Like when I look at it in person, I feel like it's harder to read, but then when I look at it on the screen, yeah, that is so weird. And real quick, there's that tag on the back of the neck for this shirt. Got a little bit of that Supreme hidden in there, a little bit more than some of the other t-shirts, I'd say. All right, well, I don't exactly get why this optical illusion is happening, but now that I've looked at it enough, there's no way I can't read it, even when I'm close to it, so that's how that goes. But, well, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on, and you guys tell me what you think about it. All right, we got it. Man, this shirt, just regular, comfy old Supreme shirt, like normal. Nothing special, nothing different about sizing. Has a great length to it for a size large. Sleeve length, a little tiny bit shorter than a size large, I feel like, but still pretty much right there. Supreme large is pretty much the same as any United States large. In my opinion, I'm 6'1", 150 pounds, and so this is what you're looking at, size large. There it is. Cool deal. Feels great. It's a size I'm always gonna get. If I get a medium, it's always risky. You never know. Oh, no. They should have wrote fragile on this. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead. I gotta get my knife out to break into this one. Got to get the skateboard deck out here. Man, this box is just super tethered. Like it's been major smashed up. But, oh man, and this tape is not helping me. This knife is not made for cutting cardboard. It's definitely supposed to just cut the tape. I think I got it though. Alright, and without further ado, let's pull out the skateboard deck. Oh man. My first Supreme skateboard deck. Very cool, very exciting. There's also something else in this box. Well, I got another Supreme ballpark poncho, so I guess I will be giving one of these away in the raffle that I'm going to have coming up. So you guys want to send me a DM on my Instagram. I'm going to put that in with a Supreme goodie bag along with some of the other Supreme stuff that they've been giving away and whatnot. So here, let me show you this sticker on the back of the skateboard deck. There's your little label there. And then this sticker on there as well. And then you got all of your print. Oh. Such a cool print. I didn't think I was gonna get the chance to get it. The Supreme app was really crazy. Oh, cool, they actually give you a box logo inside the packaging. So that's where that is, I guess, inside this shrink wrap. And it does say world famous Supreme down there. I guess I can zoom in on that. There you go. But yeah, so the Supreme app was not letting me in, and it finally did, and then it finally accepted my card. And this week kind of did similar thing, but I was able to get in there and snag a few things, you know, not like the crazy hype item, but just stuff that I liked, stuff I enjoyed, and would be happy to have. So there we go. There is my first Supreme deck. Good times. But yeah, so before I let you guys go, I do want to shoot some positivity your way from the YouVersion Bible app. I'm going to read you something from Ephesians chapter 1, verses 9 and 10. God has now revealed to us his mysterious will regarding Christ, which is to fulfill his own good plan. And this is the plan. At the right time, he will bring everything together under the authority of Christ. Everything in heaven and on earth. So Jesus is basically letting us know, God is telling us at the right time, everything's going to come together and we're going to be all working in harmony together. Everything in heaven, everything on earth, everything. Nothing left out. So that means that every single human, every single being under heaven and earth is what this is saying is going to come under the authority of Christ. And what did Jesus teach? To love each other, to go out of your way to be helping another person. He never taught to be violent or to be aggressive to another person. He said be honest. The only time really Jesus was ever aggressive with people or, you know, really negative towards people is when they were lying to people or when they were pushing other people down in order to elevate themselves and make themselves holier or just on another level of humanity. Jesus was like, no, everybody's at the same level. There's no people that are worth more than another human. There's no way that that should be a thing. And when everything comes under the authority of Christ, I believe that's what we'll see. I don't know how that plays out in the future. I know that I can at least start living that way now, so it's not going to be such of a shock for me, you know? And plus, living this way where you care about other people and you want to go out of your way to help others, it really is an enjoyable way of life. I'm not super great at it. I mean, I'm still selfish a lot because I'm a human and there's things I want to happen in my life, and when they don't, I get frustrated and, you know, just normal stuff comes up and I don't always make the right choice. But I'm consciously making an effort to move in a positive direction from where I am at this point, and I think I've made quite a bit of progress. There's a bunch more I can make. My wife, she's made a ton of progress too. We've both been on this journey together. Yeah, but anyways, can't wait till I can be vlogging like all the time and be showing you guys my life and just doing a bunch of cool stuff all over the place. I really do want to travel the world and just want to take this life by storm and just make the most of it. So I love you all, and I'll see you all next week in the future or whatnot. Catch me in the DMs, you know.